guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to know how I keep my makeup brushes so effortlessly clean, watch this quick demo and then I will go into detail about every product. Cleaning makeup brushes to me is a chore that I hate. Like, I hate cleaning my makeup brushes. I own a lot of makeup brushes, so I'm not having to always clean them, which is nice. Two tools, one product that help me clean my makeup brushes, makes it less of a hassle, and makes my makeup brushes look really nice and clean, and it's not damaging them or anything like that. So first off, brushes that I own a lot of Morphe brushes. I own a lot of ColourPop brushes. I own brushes by the brand Lexi. I get these in like BoxyCharms and everything, so I really like these brushes too. I have nothing to complain about my brushes. My brushes by Morphe and my brushes by ColourPop are fantastic. Highly recommend them. And my brushes by Real Technique are also fantastic. I've had those since high school, college, a really long time, and they work very well. I really like the Lexi brushes too. So those are just the brands that I use. I use very affordable makeup brushes and I wash them and they still work just as well as they did when I first bought them. So I recommend those brands and makeup brushes to you because I think they have great quality and they can be washed and you know that they're gonna last and they're fantastic. So brush shampoo that I use is the EcoTools Makeup Brush Shampoo. This, I love it. Like, it's so good. I used to use Dawn dish soap and olive oil. That was like a Pinterest hack. It works, but I don't know, my brushes were either way too dry from the Dawn soap or they were either way too oily from the oil, and I could never, like, it was too much of a hassle. I don't know. They work, but it was just something I was like, I really need to find a really good brush shampoo because I know if I have a great brush shampoo, I'll wash them more. So I did some research and I got my EcoTool Makeup Brush Shampoo. I purchased mine from Amazon. I want to say this is like $8.99 to $12.99, whether it's in store or online. It smells, that's another thing, it is scented. I mean, it's not bad, it's very fresh, almost like coconutty. It's just one of those things that if you're sensitive to smells, I'm not sure that this will be good for you because this will go on your brushes and your brushes will go on your skin, so that's something to consider. However, with me, I don't mind the smell and it doesn't affect my skin. So it is for deep weekly cleanse, free of parabens, pathogens, dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic. And I'm telling you, if you want a really good brush shampoo, this EcoTools Makeup Brush Shampoo is amazing. You should give it a try. So you get 6 fluid ounces, and like I said, it can be between $8.99, $12.99, it really depends where you're purchasing it at. I got mine from Amazon. I've had this for a while. I want to say on Amazon it was like $12. So another thing is TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx has an amazing makeup section. They have makeup, brushes, and they have makeup tools. So in the makeup tools section, you should really look for something like this. This is like a Sigma dupe. It is rubber silicone and your hand goes right into it, and I just clean my brushes on this area. I really want to try others out, but I got this on clearance for like 99 cents at TJ Maxx. It was something crazy. So I just put the shampoo on the brush, get it wet, and I rub it in on this, And yeah, this works great because you have your hand here and you can use the pressure of your hand against the brush like this, or you can do it down like that. But I highly recommend this. So if you want to get one from Sigma, you can get a brush cleaning pad from Sigma. But if you want to save money, I'm sure TJ Maxx has some perfect alternative just like this one that you can get there for much cheaper. I mean, this is like silicone rubber. Like, there's no reason a product like this should be $40, $50 or however much it is at Sigma. Nothing against Sigma. They have fantastic brushes. Oh yeah, I do have Sigma brushes, I forgot. But they have fantastic brushes and everything, but like the tools, like something like this, you know, it's so affordable. Like, it did not take much to make this. Like, you should be buying this discounted at TJ Maxx. So this is tool number 1. And then tool number 2 is something like this. So I also got this at TJ Maxx. This was also on clearance for like $2.99. However, the holes in this are bigger than what I wanted. You can find a smaller round one like this big, and it sits, I think it's a shifter. It's a shifter. That's what it really is. It's a shifter. So you can find a shifter with smaller holes than this that probably works better. And you literally put this into the warm water or into your sink, and you brush your brush around in it, and it really cleans your brushes. It's amazing. And it's like one of those hacks that you either hear about on TikTok, Pinterest, or you're hearing it now. And it's life changing because it makes cleaning your makeup brushes so much better. This one, like, it works well, but the holes they're bigger than what, you know, like, the holes are just bigger than what I really should be using. My point about the products and tools that you need to clean your makeup brushes is that you can find really affordable alternatives. This, you can find a shifter at TJ Maxx or Walmart, anywhere, that's super affordable with really small holes. And at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, anywhere like that, you can find one of these super affordable brush cleaning pads. So these are the 3 products that I use to clean my makeup brushes, and I have a demo on how to use these, or how I use these in action to clean my makeup brushes. So if you use those 3 products that I recommend, your makeup brushes will turn out so clean, so soft. I mean, this brush has been cleaned how many times and it's still so soft, so fluffy. Like, that brush right there, that brush has been cleaned several times. There's a little bit of stainage on it, but it is so fluffy. So yeah, I highly recommend that brush shampoo. And then when I dry them, I just pull them down like that, and I set them on a towel, and I just let them dry. Sometimes, depending on how many brushes I put together on the towel and how damp the towel is, it can take like a day and a half or so to dry. But yeah, so that is how I clean my makeup brushes. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications of uploads.